Do you want Outlook to read your email instead you reading it? Not only that guys, in the language that you are comfortable with. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham, you are watching Technoholic, and in this video we will show you how you can enable Outlook reading your email, the language that you are comfortable with. So without further ado, let's get started. For that, here you can see I already have open Outlook and one such email that I want Outlook to read for me. So here you can also see that I am using the latest version of Outlook. So make sure that you are also using the latest version, and then if you have got Outlook, then you might see this option which will basically enable the latest version of Outlook. Now what we need to do here is we need to click on view, and then here let's click on immersive reader, and there we go. Now we need to scroll it down and need to click on from where I want Outlook to read my message. Now here we can see this whole message in English, and whenever we press on this play button, you can see that Outlook has started reading it. Now if I click here on this voice setting, here not only you can read this message in male voice but in female voice as well. And then we also can control the voice speed, the rate at which the narrator will speak. So now I have increased the speed and also have changed the voice to female. Now you will see
Site 1 is waiting for you in the power pages.
the speed is increased and the voice is now converted to female voice. So that's how guys we can further customize it. Now let's click here on the top, which gives us more flexibility and customization. For example, you want to increase the text size, you can do that. You can also increase spacing in between, and then you can also change the font type and so on. We have got a few more customization available. For example, we can also customize our background. Now let's click here on this middle button. So with these options, you can further improve or enhance your overall experience. So you can enable syllable here. You can also recognize which one is noun, verb, adjective and adverb. We also have option to enable labels so that we can easily recognize here itself which one is noun, verb and adjective. Now let's talk about the last and most interesting part, which is reading preferences. Let's click on it. And here we can enable line focus, which will let you know which line the narrator is reading. And here also we can see we have got these three customization. It's up to us whether we want to use it or not. And then here we also have got this picture dictionary, which you can keep it either on and off. Then comes the most interesting part. Since this original message is in English, and let's say I'm not comfortable with English, I can click on it and then I can convert it to any other language. For example, let me choose my native one, and then I can convert this whole document, or I can convert a particular word. So here I have converted the whole document. Now again I can click on it, and this time it will speak in translated language. So right now the translated language is Hindi, and then since this is my native language, so I can easily see how good the translation is. So I would say the translation is quite decent enough. Now let's try to play this.
बधाई हो, आपकी नई साइट तैयार है.
So in this way guys, we can not only ask Outlook to read our email, but also can translate and read into another language. And we also saw a plethora of different tweaks and customization. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such productivity tips and tricks. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.